Ashina kunaka muri kuita izvi. Violence yamuri kuita, mhirizhonga yamuri kuita izvi.
Ndakambozvidzora serekeni. Need a time for reckoning. Ndikagara pasi ndichiongorora pattern. Hanzi hip hop iya yava open kunge sesame. But the only lesson is ini handichkesemi. Cooking raps photo yo makpara got the recipe. Killing bits like rest in peace. Though inonzi destiny. Dudes who call me bloggers in a post just to get at me. You may even pass if you step up even testing me. Burn you to the third degree. Couldn't match my pedigree. Hip hop came to set me free. Disciple of the ciphers that they sacrificed at 33. Focus like a sniper, so these rappers ain't addressing me directly with my name, because my aim will make your chest to bleed. Bands will make you SUV, pendants let the vest you see. What's your mambo rap to me? Pass the mambo kept to me. I'm talking about the crown. Hip hop yanga yatofa, ika scream akuti rescue me. Becoming best rapper is a skill that used to take a lot. The dreams you sell online got me thinking muri fake a lot. I'm musquita cash, it's only noise that you make a lot. I'm bringing you the smoke if you thought you could vape a lot. Magatanga eri draw eri ball 0-0. Now the scoreline doesn't favor kuna holy 1-0. That's binary. Naimwari commercial dudes who get my criticism and then finally graduate from primary. Tell the joker brace yourself. Mune open bite. Used to be a poet, couldn't prosper at the open mics. Words cut deep, hold a pen the way I hold a knife. You my yes savannah, cause it's weekend also cold and dry.
Violence yamuri kuita, mhirizhonga yamuri kuita izvi.